human story is our programming. It comes from our trauma, it comes from our past, it comes from what people have told us about ourselves. But it doesn't have to be the only story.
We're all born here with a gift, with a purpose, with a mission, but we get derailed with life happening, and then we spend all of our lives just getting back to where we were, and we call it a life.
If we're manifesting all the time, we're always getting what we want. We just don't know what we're asking for. We're not aware because it's in the subconscious. We protected it so much, so we're not aware of what we're asking for anymore.
There's one big block that stops most people from what they want. So your thoughts, your emotions, your decisions, they all have an energetic output. Now the energetic output, the trifecta of that is what becomes your dominant vibration, right? And that vibration is what's going to create your day-to-day reality. You have to understand all three of them so you understand your reality.
When you master yourself, you literally master your reality. Because then you know who you are. You know what triggers you. You know how you interact with energy. You know how you interact with people. You know what you tell yourself, so you know what your thoughts are. You know when something is not going to work out for you before it even happens.
Your reality is like watching TV. You're tuning into horror shows, and everything that you see, everything you hear, all the shows are meant to produce fear, what it is. And if you're expecting, oh shoot, I want a comedy and a horror channel, it's not gonna happen. Easier to change the channel than to be in the wrong channel and expect something different.
You literally have the key to the universe because you know yourself. So you stop putting yourself in situations that are vexatious to your soul. I'm okay with mantras as long as your brain can get on board with it, but please don't do mantras if you feel like you're lying to yourself. When it comes to manifestation, it is where you manifest from. When feeling became too painful because we didn't have the tools, or we thought that the pain sat in our heart, which it doesn't, but we perceived it to be, or the world told us it, we shut it down. But we also shut down our ability to manifest because we manifest from our heart. But manifestation does become something like waving a magic wand. Life becomes radical and beautiful and amazing, and it feels like miracles are dropping on your head every day. But we have to get ourselves to that frequency, and we have to build the foundation underneath us that helps us to sustain it.